everyone, and welcome to today's activity. Today we're going to be learning how to make a chocolate mug cake. So in your box you should have received a Ziploc that had some dry ingredients in it. Inside this Ziploc there is actually all-purpose flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and 10 semi-sweet chocolate chips. So you might notice that in your Ziploc the brown sugar has become 2 big lumps. I've already broken it down, but you're going to want to take those 2 big lumps of brown sugar and you're going to want to squish them up and break down the brown sugar so that'll be easier to make the mug cake. The other things you're going to need in order to make the chocolate mug cake are the following things. You're going to need a tablespoon for measuring. You're also going to need canola oil or any other neutral oil. You're going to want milk or water, a fork, and a mug that can hold at least 1 cup measurement, so that's 250 milliliters, so that we can make the cake. So I'm very much looking forward to making this with you. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to open the Ziploc. And we're going to put all the ingredients inside the mug. So it's going to be very exciting to make this mug cake with you. Pour it in like so. Take your time with emptying it. You want it to be all emptied out of the Ziploc bag. Try to keep it all inside of the mug. And if you need help with getting all the dry ingredients out, please feel free to ask for help. So now that we have all of our dry ingredients in the mug, we're going to now add either your milk or your water. So the first thing is you're going to want your tablespoon, and we're going to put 3 tablespoons, so that's 3 tablespoons of either milk or water into the mug. Okay, and the next thing we're going to add is 1 tablespoon, so that is 1 tablespoon of canola oil or other neutral oil into the mug. Like so. And we're going to pour it in. Give it a little bit of shake because the oil tends to like to stick to the measuring spoon. Next thing you're going to do is take your fork and we're going to mix it up. So you want to whisk it. Keep mixing it until there's no lumps. The only thing that you should feel that is lumpy is going to be the chocolate chips that are in there. So make sure to mix it up really good. This is the hardest part, really, is just mixing it all up, making sure that we get that all nice and smooth. So as you can see, there's no lumps other than I can see the chocolate chips that are in there. You might also want to take a spatula or a spoon to scrape off any of the extra cake batter off of your fork so that it ends up back in your mug so you can get all that chocolatey goodness in there. Like so. And now that we have our cake mix all mixed up in our mug, we're going to do the next step, which is the final step in making our mug cake, which is to put it in the microwave. So you're going to stick it in your microwave. And you're going to set a timer for 45 seconds. And then we wait. Alright, so 45 seconds is up. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to let the mug cake cool. I know it's very exciting to want to eat the cake, but we have to wait so that the cooking process can finish. So we're going to wait 5 minutes and then you should be able to eat it. So with movie magic, the cake will be done in 5 minutes. Alright, and our 5 minutes is up, so we're going to take it out of the microwave. and it smells delicious. And there you go. There is your chocolate mug cake. It was pretty easy to make, wasn't it? So now we get to do the best part, which is trying it out. So good. Well, I hope you enjoy making this cake, and we'll see you next time. Bye.